In a shocking development, Puri police have revealed that the murder of Kinnar Anjali, also known as Sona, was carried out with the intention of robbery. Addressing a press meet on Thursday, police confirmed that the prime accused, notorious robber Krishna Kandi, attacked and killed Anjali for loot. According to officials, Krishna attempted to flee when police moved in to arrest him on Wednesday. He allegedly opened fire at the police team, prompting retaliatory firing. During the encounter, Krishna sustained bullet injuries to his leg. He was first admitted to Pipili Hospital and later shifted to SCB Medical College and Hospital in Cuttack after his condition became critical. Police have also arrested Krishna's associate Sanil Kandi in connection with the case. The murder took place on February 1 near the Central Institute of Freshwater Aquaculture or CIFA, located on the outskirts of Bhubaneswar. Investigations revealed that Krishna Kandi, a resident of the Gadarupas area in Puri district, is a habitual offender with multiple snatching cases registered against him. So far, 2 persons have been arrested and police say efforts are underway to trace and apprehend other associates involved in the crime.
सीसीटीवी फुटेज पाखुआकर चेक करथिलु बहुत सारा सीसीटीवी फुटेज चेक कला परे आमे किछि जो माने ई घटना घटेइतिले तांको विषय खबर पाइथिलु सेमानक भितरे जो मुख्य आसामी थिला कृष्णा कांडी आउ हमर आउ जने थिले सनील कांडी ए दी जण एप्रिहेंशन हेइछंती हमर जो अछंती हमर जो कृष्णा कांडी तांको धरला बेलकू काली तांके से इंजुरी तांकर हेइतला आ से वर्तमान तांको हॉस्पिटल रे शिफ्ट करके से ट्रीटमेंट होचंती ए बाबत को हमर पीपीली पीएस 90/26 आउटे केस रजिस्टर हेछि तापरे हमर आउ जण अछंती सनील कांडी से भी तांको भी मध्य एप्रिहेंशन करा हेछि तांको कोर्ट फॉरवर्ड करा हबो आ जी आउ जणे एब्सकॉन्ड अछंती तांको हमें धरिया पे चेष्टा करूछु बहुत जल्दी तांको भी एप्रिहेंड करा स्नैचिंग उद्देश्य रे आस्थिले तांकर बैग ता छड़िया को जतले चेष्टा करतले सेतेबेले तांको भितरे टसल हेतिला ए टसल रे तांको भितरे से माने जो किछि शार्प वेपन धरि के आस्थिले सेतिरे तांको अटैक करथिले